Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Curiosity. Today we will be explaining you about conductive hearing loss. A conductive hearing loss happens when a sound cannot get through the outer and middle ear. It will be hard to hear the soft sounds and the louder sounds are muffled or distorted, but still they can hear the loud sounds because the conductive hearing loss can't exceed the hearing loss by 60 dB. So, as we discussed, there are many causes of conductive hearing losses, but when we'll go to the basic anatomy, we should know how the uh, ear, 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 ear is arranged, like the outer ear, middle ear, and the inner ear. So, damage to any of these regions can cause hearing loss, and I'll tell you how conductive hearing loss is being caused. So, as I told, there are three types of hearing loss: conductive hearing loss, sensory neural hearing loss, and mixed hearing loss. In this video, we will be explaining you about conductive hearing loss. It causes when I already told you that when the signal, the sound vibrations in terms of condensations and rarefactions are not crossing this outer or middle or outer and middle ear. So you can make note of this. It's hard to hear the soft sounds. Louder sounds are distorted. Okay. Now we'll move to uh, conditions where conductive hearing loss can be present. So we should move in. There are 10 conditions where conductive hearing loss can be there, and we'll go from the outer part to the inner part. So first one is congenital anomalies. Congenital anomalies can be either microtia or anotia. Micro means small and shia means ear. So a microtia means it's a small ear, and it can be atrasia also. That means the ear being totally absent. The second condition is foreign body or ear wax. So in ear, I told you that one third of this ear canal is cartilaginous, and there is sebaceous gland in it. It secretes sebum and later it forms to wax. Or the children, the people insert some things like pencil tips, safety pins, and earbuds, and some small rocks or pebbles. Pebbles? Really? But children do all those things. Okay, so all those things can cause a conductive hearing loss, but it won't be more than minimal to mild. Okay, moving on to the third condition. It's like defects of the TM. The tympanic membrane defects. It can be either perforation or stiffness caused by any scar or congenital stiffness, or calcium depositions by any other medical conditions. The fourth one is ossicular chain deformation. It can be the malformation also. That is like the normal shape of the ossicles are like this. I told you already that these are small bones located in the air-filled cavity called middle ear, and it can be like mal-shaped or malformed, and therefore the ability to conduct, that will be affected. So the conductivity won't be proper, and that can lead to conductive hearing loss. And next one is ossicular chain discontinuity. it's a condition where the chains will be disorganized. Next one is fluid in the middle ear. So we are going in an order. Fluid in the middle ear can be due to many things. It can be either due to any infections, or it can be due to usage into blockage or something. There are serous otitis media, chronic otitis media, suppurative otitis media. So this otitis means ear, itis is infection. Media means middle, so it means middle ear infection. So moving on to the seventh condition. Benign tumors like glomus jugular tumors can cause conductive hearing loss. Otosclerosis. Here see, it's like stapes foot plate, and it will get corroded. So it goes through different stages, like bone to spongy, then to bone, then it finally corrodes. The ninth one is ossicular chain breakage. This ossicular chain breakage can be due to a loud explosion noise or gunshot, or even a fracture. In some people where the ossicular chain is really sensitive and it's really thin, even a cuff have resulted in ossicular chain breakage. It's just history. And fracture can be due to any road transport accidents. So hereby I introduce a acronym for you. So what I have written is like congenital wax, 2 uses FB offline. So the first one will be congenital and second one will be like wax. Third is tympanic membrane defects. I have made a correction, tympanic membrane defects. So the other ones, if you look through, you will understand. Okay. Now, thanks for watching.